Now quickly we will see few theory questions. First is measure of volatility in a portfolio as compared to the entire index as a whole is beta. Second, the performance of portfolio adjusted by return of risk-free asset over the risk of portfolio, that is return of portfolio minus return of risk-free rate upon risk of portfolio or standard deviation is equal to Sharpe ratio. So third is measure of how much individual elements tend to deviate from the average is standard deviation. Measure of excess return on investment over the benchmark with the same degree of risk is alpha. The proportion of variability in a portfolio compared to benchmark is R square. Now quickly we are going to see the NR status conditions. Now there is an individual who is living in India in previous year for more than 182 days. This is the first condition when he is the resident, and the second condition is in previous years in India he is staying for more than 60 days, or in previous 4 years he is staying for more than 365 days. Now this second condition is not applicable to the people who has gone abroad for work, shipment, and who are person of Indian origin. So these people are resident people. Otherwise, if this condition is not satisfied, then the person is of non-resident. Now if person is resident, then there are two categories, ROR and RBNOR. Now ROR is in previous 2 years out of 10 years he is resident, and in previous years he is in India for more than 730 days, then he would be resident, ordinary resident. But if these conditions are not satisfied, then he is included in the category of RBNOR. So individual, first condition, resident or non-resident, then resident is divided in ROR and RBNOR.